Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Jocelyn Wong and I'll be using my 7 years of teaching Chinese to show you, the non-Chinese speaker, how to speak Chinese like a native, fast and effectively. This is an extract from my course Learn Chinese Language Everyday and Business Chinese course for beginners. Learn to speak everyday Chinese language and business Chinese fast, exclusively on Udemy. I'm confident that you will learn quickly with my course and get a great deal with nothing to lose with Udemy's 100% money-back guarantee and lifetime access to an ongoing learning platform of more than 54 million students. I've packed more than 10 hours of quality HD video into this course. For this, you get detailed explanations, cultural insights, quality tuition, PDF documents, note and assessments that are not available anywhere else. So, if you have always wanted to learn how to speak simple everyday conversational Chinese and business Chinese, enroll today. Course link is in the description below and I will see you inside. Now let's get started with our lesson today. Please remember to support us by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel and click on the notification bell so you won't miss a video. Now in this section we have two parts. Part A, which I would say it is an indirect way of requesting for a business card. That maybe you are not 100% sure if the person has business cards, or you just want to be polite, you are uncomfortable of asking someone for something directly. This would be a very good method for you to request for a business card. Let's start by learning the sentence order. So I would like to introduce you with the sentence structure using ma to form a question. So in English, we would say, if you have something, we would say, do you have a business card? But in Chinese, it would be much straightforward. We would say, you have a business card, ? So the ma, it is the yes-no question indicator. So whatever statement, if we end the statement with ma, it changes from a statement into a yes-no question. In this case, I'm asking, you have a business or name card ma? Yes or no? 您有名片吗？您有名片 You have business card 吗？ Yes or no? 您有名片吗？您有名片吗？ You have a name card or business card? Or in English, it would be, do you have a business card? 您有名片吗？ Do you have a business card? 您有名片吗？您有名片吗？您有名片吗？您有名片吗？您有名片吗？ Do you have a business card? Here is my business card, or this is my business card. So the word 这是 means this is. So depending on the scenario that you are in, maybe you are showing the person, the item, so you are saying 这是 this is, or here is. So 这是 this is or here is 我的 my 名片 business card 这是我的名片这是我的名片这是我的名片 Here is my business card, or this is my business card. Say if you don't have a business card but you want to connect with them, so you quickly write in a piece of paper and say, here are my contact details. Contact details, 联系方式. 联系 means contact, 方式 method. So it could be email or fax, whatever. 联系方式 includes everything. 这是我的联系方式。这是我的联系方式。这是我的联系方式。这是我的联系方式。Here are my contact details. In the first part, we talked about an indirect way to get the person's contact details. Now, in part B, we would be more proactive. We ask the person directly for a business card. May I have one of your business cards? 可以给我您的名片吗? Please take note this sentence have a lot of tone change, so just repeat after me. 可以, it means can or may. 可以,可以。给我,给我。给我 means give me. 可以给我。您的 means your. In this case, I'm using an honorable form, so that means it's honorable you. 您的 your. 名片 business card or name card. 吗 yes or no. 可以给我您的名片吗？可以给我您的名片吗？可以给我您的名片吗？可以给我您的名片吗？ May I have one of your business cards? Now this would be the simple, straightforward request. Please give me your contact details. 请给我您的联系方式。请 please 给我 give me 您的 your in honorable form 联系方式 contact details 请给我您的联系方式请给我您的联系方式请给我您的联系方式请给我您的联系方式 Please give me your contact details. Now let us revise. If you want to say, here are my contact details, what would you say? Yes, you would say, 这是我的联系方式。这是 this is or here are 我的 my 联系方式 contact details 这是我的联系方式这是我的联系方式这是我的联系方式 Here are my contact details. As an encouragement for follow-up, you could say something like, You are welcome to contact me. 你可以联系我。你 you 可以 you can or you may, you have the permission. 联系 contact 我 me. 你可以联系我。你可以联系我。你可以联系我。你可以联系我。You are welcome to contact me.